without an alarm.
Did you not hear? I have alarms.
Did you have an alarm today?
Yeah.
No, I just kind of woke up, walked to the bathroom, and suddenly you popped out. Like, freaking, I'm guessing Dad had another lucid dream.
Yeah, so Bergfest opens at 6. We have to be leaving at 6:30 so we could get to the gate at 7. Because that's when it opens.
Mm-hmm.
And we don't know if we're the first team to fly today or not.
That's true. Could be.
What happens if we're the first team? That's going to be very hectic, isn't it?
We have an hour to get everything together.
We essentially have an hour. When we get there, instead of going to our little table under the tent, we just go straight out to the...
No, I think we go to our tent for an hour if we get there on time. And then they'll call us 15 minutes beforehand. You have 20 minutes to set up. 5 of those 20 minutes you have to use to brief the judges.
Yeah.
And as soon as that happens, 20 minutes are up. The mission time starts at 45 minutes of mission time. Yeah. From there it's up to
really up to the plane and the autopilot. And
yes. Little prediction. Let's take this camera to Master Andrew for further discussion. Andrew, how do you feel?
Oh, rather unhappy.
Rather happy. Why? What's up?
It's 5:45 a.m.
We'd just be glad if we go today, then tomorrow you can like sleep in if you really want to.
No, because we might just have to go tomorrow. If no teams fly or if we don't get to fly today.
Yeah.
So tell me about your biggest fear today.
I think my greatest fear is we're when we end the day today, we're the next team, like first team tomorrow to fly. Like we're the very first one.
That is my probably biggest fear too.
Because that means we're gonna have to do this again.
Mm-hmm.
And
then we'll know, like, oh, as soon as we wake up, as soon as we get to the gate, like, oh yeah, the first one going up to fly.
What we could do.
Oh.
What we could do is that just go back to bed now and then we're bed. Because then if we have to do it tomorrow, it'll be the one time we have to do it.
Perhaps we're the first team today.
Hey, we're preparing to fly in a bit. We're only a 2 or 3 more teams until we're off. Fly. Yeah, we're getting ready to fly. All right. Everyone's hard at work. Andrew, would you like to tell us what's going on here?
We're 2 teams away from flying or so. So soon we're going to get called up to the flight line. So we're just making sure that we get a good connection with our telemetry and everything. That's Rajesh making a peacock noise.
Indeed it is.
So you can see there's messages coming in, so we know everything's still good for software.
I don't like that.
Don't worry, we're going to go out to the field and we'll have a look at what the actual altitude is.
You'll be
I think
okay.
it's the right.
Let me show you where the field is.
Oh. Shall we go take a look at the field we'll be flying at?
Here.
Ooh.
So, here's the, this area here is all just like where teams are set up.
This is the tent
Further
area.
down
Yeah.
here as well, you got like 40 teams.
This is the pit area.
So you come out to the grass here.
Yeah.
What you can see here is the actual area where the 4 teams on the flight line. So as you can see over there, there's like the 4 teams that were like ready to go, with one of them actually flying, the 3 waiting for their turn.
You also see a team being carted out there right now.
So that's the 4th team.
Yep.
We're gonna get called up. We're gonna get carted out there as well in probably like in an hour to fly our plane.
And we'll be riding in style.
Riding in style as always. Yeah, and can't see the planes flying right now, so no one's going on.
There's none that are invisible anyway.
Yeah.
And yeah, that is us getting ready to fly. Send us off.
Footage of us on the truck. That'll be good.
Yeah, we should get the truck footage.
Got to see when his hands are free.
Yeah. It's recording now.
You got it?
Hey.
Hey.
Where are we going today?
Where's the
Where?
prop is here?
Prop is in the briefcase.
We're going to set everything up. We're going to go fly. Good. Simple as that. All right. Do you anticipate any problems during the Kaiser's by the press?
We are excited and ready for this.
We're going to fly through yourself.
My heart is pumping way faster than it should be right now. Our team got confidence. We got spirit.
We think we know what it's going to do. Okay.
Better than last year. Better than last year.
Better than last year.
New gift profile pic.
Hey.
Have fun.
Be well.
Got the umbrella?
Yeah, it's in my pocket.
Okay, we're just on speaker now.
Make sure that you clean up your area.
Are we vlogging or what?
How do you feel, Jack? How do you feel, Dad?
I feel really hot. I know I usually am, but it's even more so. I'm really thankful for the man Andrew over here holding the umbrella while we're standing out there in the hot sun. Took many a wonderful photo.
Smile.
How's it going? Are you on video or are you on?
5 more minutes. Alberta's got 5 more minutes.
Everything's there?
Well, maybe they would pack up and get out.
Ready to fly light? We're done.
Okay. About 41 minutes exactly.
That's a nice round number.
You're so happy. This is the first one for me, right?
Yeah,
For
I don't
Gavin.
still.
It's here.
It's like,
Yeah.
everything's great. Just,
You don't have to have like that super solemn like walk back or like
yeah. Yeah.
yeah, just about we're just waiting for the judges. Yeah.
We got your actionable intel on the thumb drive as well as the backup information. You gave us on that, turned it in. Total mission time 41 minutes. Yeah, we gave you a fairly high score on operational excellence. That's good. And don't know, for safety, you thought you outstanding with the safety checklist, you know, all operations were using post-flight, things you were doing with that.
Like I said, great PPE. If you actually thought about that, and in case something cut you, the first aid kit. Had one safety pilot take over. Yes, I thought it was a timely decision on your part, from a safety decision and a mission decision, the right decision on your part. Out of bounds. Yeah, the tail came off on landing, but how this is designed, and you briefed you're gonna do the grass landing. That's fine. We're not going to consider that a crash takeoff. So, from a safety perspective, it was a nice job.
Yeah, very positive. Everything was good. From imaging, Cindy was working very hard, very nice. So that was, and everybody else finished, but from the imaging side, good job.
Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you. You had the banquet. You want to say hi to us?
The one thing I did have is at no point out there did you offer shade to the judge. Did you ever say, hey, you want to get under the umbrella? No. Left me hanging the whole time, bro.
You looked like you were enjoying the sun.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
Cheers.
All right. Okay, your next team's coming in right now, Mark. They're already here.
Yeah, there it is.
Yeah.
Woot woot.
We're like, yeah! Our table!
We're back. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Estimated overall excellent score of 10 out of 10, guys.
Wow. Someone did a good job on those checklists. I'm really glad somebody harassed other people to do checklists and have it printed out.
And then Jackie updated it.
Checklist, yeah.
The beautiful checklist got so many marks.
And wait. I think we need to give a good round of applause for Brian as MVP on safety. Got to come from every judge.
The hero. This is my guess. There's pre-landing 4, 3, 2, 1, and then the landing, and then pre-landing 2 or something was moved off course somewhere over.
You're right.
Oh my god. Yeah, because you could see it. It just came in, and then it's like, nah.
It was like doing it perfectly. It was like perfect.
That's like you now.
Lucky now. Yeah. Yeah, hopefully they should do well. I mean,
I believe. Hopefully we'll have a good chance. What was our prediction again? Top 12? Or humble.
How the heck do I zoom on this thing?
Oh, you just do this right here.
Oh.
Alright guys, team call, let's go on count of 3. 3, 2, 1.
Maybe like start in sync and make sure we all get really deep.
While we're going down road, maybe do it.
Why not?
And then get it synchronized.
The other teams need to know.
We might like distract people. We're far away enough, I guess.
You're refocusing and the beats closing between each other. Maybe you should turn off the autofocus. I can't hear you. Switch it to manual.